So let's see today's interesting recipe. Now I'm taking a saucepan, heated it up, and I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water to my saucepan. Let it come to a gentle boil. Then we're going to add 1 cup of spinach or palak leaves that I've washed really well. Let the spinach boil in this water for a whole minute. And then you're going to transfer it to ice cold water to which some ice cubes have been added, and let this sit in the ice cube water for about a whole minute. Now you're going to transfer this to a mixer jar along with 1 cup of coriander leaves. We're going to grind this to a very fine puree, which looks like this. Now I've taken another large saucepan or a large pan or a pot, and once it gets heated up, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, followed by 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Saute this well. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan, and you're going to fry this besan for at least a half a minute till you get the aroma of the besan and the rawness goes away. Next, I'm going to add 1 large onion that I've chopped fine, and you're going to fry the onion till it becomes nice and translucent. Now I'm going to add 1 green chilli chopped fine, 6 cloves of garlic chopped fine, and 1 inch of ginger chopped fine. Mix everything really well together and fry all of this really nicely together. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of tomato puree. So I've just taken 2 medium tomatoes and blended them to a smooth puree. You can also use the ready-made tomato puree available. Mix everything really well together. Now I'm going to add a few spices. I'll list all the ingredients in the description box below. It's haldi powder, dhania powder, jeera powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder. So mix everything really well together. Let all the spices blend in well with the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm just going to add half a cup of water, give everything a good mix, and now we're going to cover and cook this on a medium flame for about 1 minute. And you will notice after 1 minute that the mixture starts to ooze out some oil or ghee. That's what we're looking for. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed Kasuri meethi or dried fenugreek leaves. Give that a good mix. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of dahi or yogurt or curd. Mix all of that in well. Now again we're going to cover and cook this for 1 minute on a medium flame. Mix everything well, and now we're going to add our palak and coriander puree. Mix that in well, and immediately you will see the lovely color of this dish. Again, you're going to cover and cook for 1 minute on a medium flame. Give everything a nice mix. See that everything is mixed in well, the spices. Now we're going to add some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it in well. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix that also in well. And now we have our main ingredient. So I've taken 150 grams of paneer and I've grated it on my cheese grater. I have a recipe of how to make homemade paneer as well as homemade garam masala. I'll leave all the links below in the description box. So give everything a gentle mix. Again, cover and cook for 1 minute on a medium flame. And your lovely Amritsari paneer is all ready. Have this with some lovely rotis or naan. I'm going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's Recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.